What if I told you that by the end of today, you could have your first online service listed, ready for paying clients, even if you have zero experience, zero qualifications, and zero clue where to start? Sounds impossible, right? Well, I thought so too, until I saw it happen over and over again for complete beginners. The truth is, you don't need to wait months to start making money online. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need expensive software. You just need one thing: the ability to solve a problem for someone. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, all from your phone or laptop. This is episode 1 of Internet Paydays, and today we're unlocking the blueprint to becoming a paid freelancer from scratch, starting right now. Why freelancing works? Freelancing is one of the most powerful income models out there because it flips the old work rules upside down. Instead of waiting for a company to hire you, train you, promote you, and decide your worth, you decide what you'll offer, how much you'll charge, and who you'll work with. Businesses, YouTubers, influencers, and entrepreneurs all have the same problem: too much to do, not enough time to do it. That's where freelancers come in. We save them time, deliver results, and they pay us for it. The best part? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com are already set up like online shopping malls. But instead of buying shoes or electronics, people are buying skills. They log in with a credit card ready, looking for someone to help them right now. Your only job is to be there with the right offer. And no, you don't need a resume. You don't need 10 years of experience. And you don't even need to be the best in the world. You just need to deliver a result they want. What services to offer? One of the biggest questions I get is, what if I have no skills? But here's the truth. You probably already have skills people are willing to pay for. And if you don't, you can learn one this afternoon. Let's break it down with examples. Writing. You can create product descriptions for online stores, short blog posts, or even write captions for Instagram. Businesses constantly need fresh words to attract customers. Design. Canva makes it ridiculously easy to design flyers, Instagram posts, Pinterest graphics, and YouTube thumbnails without learning complicated software. Video editing. Short-form content like TikToks and Instagram Reels are huge right now. Free apps like CapCut let you edit them quickly, even from your phone. Voiceovers. If you have a clear speaking voice, you can narrate explainer videos, ads, or e-learning lessons. All you need is a quiet room and free audio software like Audacity. AI-powered services. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm marketing ideas, write emails, draft social media posts, or even come up with catchy business names. You're not selling the AI. You're selling the outcome it helps you produce. The key is to remember this. You only have to be one step ahead of your client. A local bakery owner might have no idea how to design an Instagram post. But if you can do it in Canva and send it to them, that's a real service they'll happily pay for. Tool walkthrough. Now let's talk tools. The beauty of freelancing today is that you can run your entire business with free tools and upgrade later. Here's your starter kit: Fiverr and Upwork. These are free to join and give you instant access to people actively searching for your services. On Fiverr, you create gigs that people can order directly. On Upwork, you send proposals to job posts. ChatGPT. This is your brainstorming buddy, writing assistant, and idea machine. It can help you draft proposals, write content, or even organize your workflow. Canva, a drag-and-drop design platform that makes you look like a pro without learning Photoshop. Perfect for social media graphics, presentations, or even digital products. CapCut, free video editing software that's simple to use but powerful enough to make high-quality short videos. Google Docs and Drive. Store your work in the cloud, send clean links to clients, and collaborate in real time. With just these 5 tools, you can offer multiple services and deliver them professionally from day one. No credit card required. How to stand out? Here's the reality. Thousands of freelancers are on these platforms. If you want to get noticed, you have to stand out. And that starts with how you present yourself. 1. Clear, specific titles. Instead of "I will write for you," say "I will write a 500-word blog post optimized for SEO." Clients want to know exactly what they're getting. 2. Add a short video. Even a 30-second clip introducing yourself builds trust and makes you feel more real than a faceless profile. 3. Over-deliver at first. For your first few clients, add a little extra value. An extra graphic, a quicker delivery time, a bonus suggestion. This gets you glowing reviews faster. 4. Use keywords. Think about what clients might search for. Phrases like AI blog writer, Instagram Reels editor, or TikTok script generator are trending right now. Remember, the early phase isn't about making huge profits. It's about building a reputation so that your profile starts bringing in orders automatically. Building your first client relationships. Okay, so you've got your pricing sorted and you know how to protect yourself. Now let's talk about the thing that separates successful freelancers from everyone else: building relationships that last. Because here's the truth: finding new clients is expensive and time-consuming. But keeping existing clients happy, that's where the real money is. The first impression framework. Your client relationship starts before you even begin working. In your discovery call, don't just ask what they want, ask why they want it. Questions like, what's the goal behind this project? And what's your biggest concern about working with a freelancer? Show you care about their business outcomes, not just completing tasks. Communication that builds trust. 3 communication practices will set you apart. First, always respond within 24 hours. Even if it's just got your message, I'll have a detailed response by specific time. Second, send weekly Friday updates with specific progress made and what you'll focus on next week. This keeps you top of mind and prevents client anxiety. Third, when problems arise, use the problem-solution format. Acknowledge the issue, explain what happened without excuses, present your solution, provide a timeline, and ask for their input. Setting boundaries like a pro. Most beginners think saying yes to everything keeps clients happy. Wrong. Clear boundaries actually build trust. For scope changes, say, I love that idea. That would be outside our current project scope, but I'd be happy to provide a separate quote. Set time boundaries. Like, my typical response time is 24 hours during business days, and communication preferences. Like, email works better than text for fastest response. Turning clients into repeat customers. The real money comes from repeat clients. End each project by delivering everything promised with a small bonus if possible. Sending a lessons learned summary, asking for feedback and testimonials, suggesting next steps, and scheduling a 30-day follow-up. Stay in touch with monthly newsletters, relevant articles, and quarterly check-ins, even without active projects. Example gigs, plus ideas. Let's make this real. You could go to Fiverr today and list one of these gigs. I will write SEO-friendly blog posts using AI tools like ChatGPT. I will design eye-catching Instagram quote posts with Canva. I will edit your TikTok and Reels videos for social media growth. I will generate unique business names and taglines for your brand. These aren't just made-up examples. They're based on actual gigs that people are buying from complete beginners. The secret is to start small. You don't need to launch 10 services at once. Pick one, create your profile, post your first gig, and then refine it as you get feedback. Over time, you can branch out and add more services to increase your earnings. Freelancing is hands down one of the fastest and lowest risk ways to start earning money online. There's no boss telling you when to clock in, no cap on how much you can earn, and no office you have to commute to. You can work from your kitchen table, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. You can choose your clients, your prices, and the kind of work you enjoy. I've linked all the tools we talked about in the description, plus a few bonus templates, including a gig description template, proposal script, and delivery checklist, so you can get started today without guessing. This is just episode 1 of Internet Paydays. In episode 2, we'll dive into how to land your very first paying client, even with 0 reviews. So hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment below with the service you're going to start offering. I'll reply with tips to help you hit the ground running. Your freelancing journey doesn't have to start someday. It can start today, and your first payday could be just a few clicks away.